This video provides a quick introduction on how to use the Garmin Messenger app on iPhone with the InReach Messenger device for safety monitoring with Breon. You can download the app from the App Store. The app name is Garmin Messenger and it has an orange and grey icon like the one you can see in the bottom right of my iPhone screen. Once you've downloaded and opened the app, you'll see some introductory screens. Go ahead and select Get Started to proceed. The app will request your phone number to verify your Messenger account and set up the messaging with other Garmin Messenger users. So go ahead and put in your phone number. Agree to the privacy policy and user agreement and select Next to proceed. You will then receive a verification code via SMS to confirm your mobile number. You can copy and paste or enter manually by viewing the code on your SMS message screen. Next, we will enable permissions. So we select Next to allow Bluetooth and to allow access to phone contacts. And I'm going to share all my contacts on my phone and also to allow notifications. So that allows the app to sync any of your contact numbers that have a Garmin Messenger account and also pair with the InReach device and receive communications from the monitoring center. So we're going to select Done to continue. So to work with the Garmin InReach Messenger device, we need to do two further things. We need to log into our Garmin account, which is in addition to the Garmin Messenger app account, and also pair your iPhone with your InReach Messenger device. So I'm getting a prompt in the top left corner of the screen that I can pair via that icon there, top left. So let's have a look at that. I'm going to select that. And you can see those top two options, devices. If I select devices, I can see at the top, add device. And under that, under accounts, if I select accounts, I can see that I have signed into the Messenger account, but also the option below that to sign into my Garmin account by that sign in the bottom there. What we'll do first, just going back, is we will pair our phone with our InReach Messenger device. So to do that, I'm going to select devices and I'm going to select add device. And you can see on this screen a prompt to make sure that the device is powered on. So on the InReach Messenger device, I'm going to press the power button on the right side and then use the right arrow button at the bottom of the device to scroll through to settings. I'm going to select settings with the center bottom button and then scroll through to phone. And select phone and then scroll right to pair phone and select pair phone, and then that comes through on my iPhone. I'm going to select connect it and I can see that the InReach Messenger device is now paired to my iPhone. And now I'm getting a prompt to sign in to my Garmin Messenger account. So I'm going to go ahead and do that by selecting sign in. And I'm going to enter my email and password for my Garmin account. I'm getting a confirmation there that it's completing the setup of my inReach Messenger Plus device. And on my inReach device, I will just go back to the home screen by pressing the left button on the bottom of the device till I get to back, and I'll just keep moving back to the main menu. So let's have a look at the ways the Messenger app can be used to control the inReach Messenger device and accomplish safety monitoring via satellite, cellular and Wi-Fi networks. The screen we are looking at here is the device screen. You can see at the bottom right of the screen the device icon and word is highlighted in orange. And we also have the option to move to the messages screen by selecting messages at the bottom left of the screen. It's there in grey. Let's move to the messages screen by tapping on messages. This screen shows our existing message threads and the contact numbers from my phone that are also linked to a Garmin Messenger account. You can see towards the top, or at the very top there, you can see the contact help at Breon Telematics. This is the message recipient primarily relevant for safety monitoring activities. So let's tap on that message thread, help@breontelematics.com. If we select that, you can see some previous safety monitoring test activity. There's some check-in, sign-offs, and use of the assist and hazard functions. You'll see at the bottom left of this message thread screen, next to the start a message field, there are two buttons, a pin icon, which enables location recording. You need to have that location enabled for safety monitoring. I'll just show you. If I press that, I've now turned message location off, but we need to have that on. So I'm going to tap that so message location is on. And we also have a plus icon next to that, which accesses quick text messages. So let's have a look at that by tapping on the plus. There you can see quick text messages and map share. If we tap quick text messages and have a look, you can see all the safety monitoring options available here. So you can select sign on, which is the second one there after SOS, and then it appears in the text message field, and you can tap the arrow to send that message. And there it's sent. And then very quickly I receive a confirmation from the monitoring centre that my sign-on has been received and that the next check-in is due at 12:42. That occurred quite quickly, and that's because my phone is connected via Wi-Fi and cellular data, and that it's most likely used those networks to send and receive the sign-on communications. If a message is sent or received via satellite, you'll hear a trill from the inReach Messenger device. You can see that each message in the thread here is also accompanied by a pin which shows the location from where the message was sent, for example. And you can also tap on the message to get more information about the monitoring action that occurred. So you can see the date and time that the message was sent and the way the message was sent. It says there that it was an internet message. Okay, we'll just go back. Now, sign on, check in and sign off can also be sent from the device menu screen, which we were on initially. So let's select device at the bottom right of the screen. And we're back there on the device menu screen. And we can see some different options there. We've got settings, contacts, initiate SOS and presets. So what you'll be using is mostly presets. So if we tap that, you can see 3 options there. So we've got our message recipient help at breon.telematics.com, and you've got sign on, check in, and sign off. So we can tap sign on there, and that will start to send that message. So if we move back to messages, I've got a message back there saying sign on rejected. I've already signed on, so that's okay. I'll go back to my device screen. I'll check presets and I will select check-in this time. And then I can go back to messages, and I can see that that check-in has sent and it has been received from the message center, and it says next check-in is now due at 12:45. I can tap on that message just to have a bit more of a look. My confirmation has been sent as an internet message, was received at 12:24. My check-in message was also sent as an internet message. Okay, so although the InReach Messenger device enables satellite connectivity through your phone, the message may also be sent via cellular data or Wi-Fi. The Messenger app just moves seamlessly between the 3 networks and will use cellular or Wi-Fi rather than satellite if you're in cellular range or connected to Wi-Fi. Cellular or Wi-Fi pathways, of course, will be quicker in transmitting messages. Okay, so that concludes a quick introduction to using the Garmin Messenger app and InReach Messenger device for safety monitoring with Breon. Thanks.